a review on this hair product called Simpler Hair. Simpler Hair. Basically, what this is easy to use color for men or women, I assume. Comes in different colors. You have to actually order the color that you need. Comes in many colors. Comes for grays, guys. Basically for taking out this gray right here. So super simple, guys. All you do is grab your little swatch right here. You have your little container. It's gonna come out. It has 2 openings, so it's gonna come out a double layer, guys. There, it came out like that. See that? And then you don't mix it on there. What you're gonna do is just apply it to your hair. Use the tip of the front of the brush. And this is where my strongest grays are, guys. I feel like most of it stayed in my hair. Our time is 8:53, okay? So we're gonna leave it in for 20 minutes. First time ever using this product, guys. So I'm noticing that with this little front brush right here, but I noticed it right here. The 20 minutes, and then we'll rinse it off. And we'll see how it come out. Alright guys, 15 minutes in and look at this. Alright guys, we're at 20 minutes right now. So I think I'm going to rinse it off now. It looks pretty dark. I'm going to wash my hair, wash my face, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks and if it looks natural. Alright guys, here I rinsed it all off and this is what it came out with. What I do like, I can justify that it's super easy to use. And you saw how grayed out I was right here. Now all of a sudden it's not as grayed out. It's a little bit grayed out, but it looks more natural. I feel like it looks like maybe 5-10 years ago from when I had my goatee before. So let me put that second application and we'll look at it right now again. All right, guys, here's the final product. It looks pretty good. It looks kind of natural. That's a good thing about it. Doesn't look so overwhelmingly dark. I think I picked a good color. It kind of leaves a little bit of tiny grays in there, which makes it look more natural, I feel. Instead of it just being all super dark. I'm sure I could have done better probably, and right here I could have done a little bit better. But for the first application, I like it because it's not so, makes it look so unnatural. I'm gonna rock it and then we'll see. If you guys are interested in getting this product, guys, this product is by Simpler Hair Color. I provided a link in the description. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to where you can purchase it. Remember, it comes in different colors. Comes in black, brown, light brown, dark brown, blonde. They even have a ginger color for you guys that are gingers out there, guys. So if you guys are interested in getting some simpler hair, super easy to apply. I'm not even lying, guys. Within an hour, you can have this all done at your own home. Super easy to do. I highly recommend.